In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use watch folders in Adobe Media Encoder. Let's dive right in and start by opening up Adobe Media Encoder. Once you have it open, the first thing you want to do is ensure that the Watch Folders panel is visible. This is crucial because the Watch Folders panel is where the magic happens. To find this panel, simply navigate to the top menu, click on Window, and then select Watch Folders from the dropdown. There you go. Your Watch Folders panel should now be visible and ready to use. Now that we have the panel set up, let's create a watch folder. You have a couple of options here. You can either click the plus icon, which stands for Add Folder, or you can drag and drop a folder from your operating system directly into this panel. This folder that you choose or create will be the one that Adobe Media Encoder watches, hence the name Watch Folder. Once you've added a folder to the panel, it's time to set up the encoding settings for it. With the newly added folder highlighted in the panel, look to your right or perhaps below, and you'll see options to configure these settings. First, you'll need to decide on a format for your encoding. This could be something like H.264, which is commonly used for web videos, or ProRes, which is popular for broadcast quality. Make your choice based on what best suits your needs or the needs of your project. Next, you'll select a preset for encoding. You can either choose one from the drop-down list, or if there's a preset you commonly use, you can simply drag it onto your watch folder. This preset will dictate the specific settings used during encoding, so select one that aligns with your desired output quality and specifications. Moving on, you need to set the output folder location. This is the destination where your encoded files will go once they're done. Typically, it's a good idea to designate a destination folder that's easy to locate so you can quickly access your files. Before you test things out, let's make sure that auto-encoding is enabled for your watch folders. Head over to the Queue panel and check to see that the auto-encode watch folders option is turned on. This ensures that the watch folders will automatically process files as soon as they are added. Now, it's time to test out your new setup. Go ahead and drop a media file into your designated watch folder. With Adobe Media Encoder open, it should immediately recognize the file, add it to the queue, and begin encoding it according to your chosen settings. Once the encoding process is complete, the output file should appear in your specified output folder. Depending on your preferences, Adobe Media Encoder might also move the source file to another location, keeping your folders neat and organized. And there you have it. By setting up watch folders in Adobe Media Encoder, you can streamline your workflow and ensure that your media files are consistently encoded to the specifications you need. Happy encoding, and see you in the next video.